everybody. Just a quick video to kind of give you some guidance on what we're going to be doing this week. So we just wrapped up Cask of Amontillado, and we actually got through that a little bit quicker than I had anticipated. So with that, we are going to have some extra days. At the end of every quarter, I like to give you a little bit of time to catch up if needed or some work days. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing this week. So the way the week is going to run is on Monday. If you are not finished with the Unit 4 test, you need to make sure to get that completed by Monday. After that, if you are done with everything from Unit 3 and Unit 4, those students are going to have the option to do some extra credit assignments if they choose, and I'll cover that here just a second. But if you are not completed with Unit 3 and 4, you're going to want to make sure to take the remaining rest of the days this week and get caught up to where you are completely up with all of your English assignments. We know that Unit 1 and Unit 2 are closed, so it's pretty important that you catch up with all of the Unit 2, or sorry, Unit 3 and 4 assignments, because Unit 3 and Unit 4 will be closing soon, so you will no longer have access to that. So you're having the opportunity this week to get everything caught up that you need. So the way that Class Connect is going to work this week is on Monday there will not be a session. On Tuesday we will have a session, and we will be watching the Cask of Amontillado movie in the first half of the class, and the second half of the class will be an optional help session if you need it. On Wednesday, that will be an optional help session, no session on Thursday. Okay, so that's the way Class Connect will run. So the extra credit assignments, which I know many of you are going to want to do, however, there are stipulations with these assignments. You have to have certain things completed before you can even attempt the assignment. So if you do not have the Unit 4 test done, the CSI project done, or the CASC setting mood and figurative language assignment done, you will not be able to even access these extra credit assignments. So these are truly set up for students who are done with this week or done with Unit 3 and 4 and are looking for some extra supplemental activities, things to just enhance what we've already learned in the English class. So with that, what these assignments are, you have a connotation and denotation quiz. There's a little mini lesson here that you'll look at, and there's a quiz. This is worth 5 extra credit points. The next is a companion worksheet. It's worth 10 points. And then the final extra credit is the comparing fact and fiction assignment, and it is a written assignment, and it's worth 20 extra credit points. There is a one-page reading that goes along with this, plus the lesson directions are there as well, that you will be instructed on how to complete the assignment. I can tell you, I will not specifically be going over these in class because they are extra credit. However, if you pop into a help session, or if you send me an email, or if you call and ask directions, obviously I'm going to further the directions for you. But we're not going to be going over these in class because they're pretty self-explanatory, and also because they are extra credit and you are using them as supplemental to just bump your grade if you need to. So, do you need to do all 3? Do you need to do 1? Do you need to do 2? You have the option to do 1, 2, or all 3 of these. If you would want to just try the quiz, you can just try the quiz. If you want to just do the written aspect of it, you can just do the written aspect of it. If you want to try 2 of these, you're absolutely welcome to do that. Just remember that the stipulations that are set on these will not allow you to even access the assignment unless these are completed and done. All right. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Take this time this week and use it to your advantage. I can't guarantee at the end of quarter 2 that I will be able to give you days to work. I am hoping to do that. I usually can, but there's never a guarantee. So since we got through CASC so quickly, I was able to do this for you guys. So it is going to be a different week. Use it, don't abuse it. Make sure that you are going through and that you're doing what you need to do and not just slacking off this week. All right. Quarter 1 does end on Friday. If you have any questions, please let me know.